इवेंट में आशीष चौहान एनएसई के एमडी और सीईओ संबोधन दे रहे हैं। सीधा वहीं का रुख करते हैं।
Thank you, FICCI, for the opportunity to share my views on the conference theme, Driving Growth Through Innovation, Technology and Transparency. This theme is not merely a catchphrase. To me, it's a collective paradigm that the capital market ecosystem needs to adopt and achieve. Today's deliberations in several sessions are for constructive engagement and reflection, for asking questions and finding answers, for identifying challenges and opportunities, and for raising doubts and providing solutions. As you all know, India's securities market has scaled rapidly. We are looking good on several key parameters, such as number of unique investors, 13 crore or about 130 million, mutual fund investors, 7 crore, which is about 70 million, healthy primary market, which is 4.3 trillion rupees raised in FY25, a strong fundraising pipeline, 1.4 trillion rupees can be raised going ahead. Equity assets held by FPIs is 72 trillion rupees, and ownership in listed entities by domestic investors as of June 25 quarter of 19%. We have growth momentum with us. It's time to convert it into a flywheel. Robust regulatory framework that increases transparency and technology, which in turn increases trust in the system and a greater investor participation and a deeper and more liquid market, a better price discovery, the lower cost of capital, and in turn, greater investment and innovation. I note that there are interactive sessions on two critical areas today. One is on financing the future, and another one on sustained capital formation amidst rising domestic participation. I'm sure the panelists will provide their valuable insights on a range of issues such as mutual funds, AIFs and other new instruments, corporate bond market, municipal and infrastructure financing, investor awareness and education, and responsible diversified investing. Key questions for you to reflect today: which reforms are necessary to incentivize and actively engage capital issuers and long-term investors on a sustained basis for faster capital formation? The second, are our incentives, disclosures, controls, boards, and capabilities aligned to our aspiration of a much larger and deeper capital market? What efforts do we need to make? Innovation. For what? To cut friction, deepening, and diversifying markets. Innovation in capital market must lower friction and compliance costs for issuers, investors, and intermediaries while managing the risk. It should also provide diverse range of opportunities depending upon risk appetite. That's the bar we must set for ourselves. At SEBI, we have worked to shorten IPO timelines, to enable safeguards such as blocking of funds and direct payout, and to establish digital processes that reduce cost and time for everyone.